So when is AI going to take over as being more important than in-person meetings? It's not. I got a good reminder of that today, guys. I had a wonderful breakfast meeting with a guy that I was introduced to through a networking group and through like a business group, kind of like a Chamber of Commerce, the WWBA, which is now the WBA, Washington Law Business Association. And it was just a great reminder that there's some things in life that AI will never take over for. Interpersonal relationships. Can it help you with interpersonal relationships? Maybe. Maybe you can ask it advice. You can dig in deep on it. You can say, hey, this was a scenario that happened. Can you give me some advice on how to handle it better? Or sales objections and that kind of stuff. But let's face it, there's nuance and there's things that happen when you shake someone's hand, when you're sitting across a table from them. The idea exchange is different. Even virtual, right? I've got teams all over the planet. I've had teams in India and the Philippines, Chile, Mexico, Belize, Jamaica, Eastern Europe, the Ukraine, my dear friends in the Ukraine, I love you. I've got teams in Poland right now. We do a lot of virtual communication and we make it work and they work great. This stuff works well, right? You learn how to work on your communication, but there's nothing quite like shaking somebody's hand. In fact, one of the crowning achievements of my career was being able to bring my Ukrainian application architect over for a couple of weeks back in 2015, 2016. Absolutely wonderful to be there to shake his hand and to break bread with him. Wonderful stuff. And AI is not going to take the place of that. So if anything, I want to use these words as encouragement for you and for me, good reminder for me. Get out there, get to those business meetings, get to those networking events, shake hands, hand out a business card, an actual paper business card. Can you imagine that? I still carry them. I'm old. Anyways, AI is not going to take the place of everything. And as we move forward into the future, I think it's going to be more and more and more important to do those things just to feel human again, because so much of what we do in the business world is going to be augmented and automated. So again, I just love to encourage you, get out there to a networking event sooner rather than later. See ya.